So ito na, bababa ulit tayo. Another second location. Sasakay tayo dun sa pinaka-elevator doon.
Naman dalawa. Magka-toilet ba kayo?
Share kayo? So this time guys, sasakay tayo ng elevator para sa first platform para maabot natin yung pinaka-tuktok mismo ng ng mountain. Ay, ito pa. Oy! Ayan, dito pala natin nakikita yung mga sa TikTok, yung mga nagta-trending. Ito, ayan na. Dito pala yun. Nakaka-amaze lang guys. Pagmasdan yung mga monkey dito. Yeah, that's the monkey guys. So you see that? Ang daming monkeys dito. So this time, aakyat tayo. Sasakay tayo sa pinakamataas na outdoor elevator. The longest elevator in the world. Yung speed papuntang taas daw is 1 minute and 24 seconds. Let's go! Hey. How's the experience? Fun? Yeah. Yeah, the monkeys. Nakakatawa. Okay, so yun. Bago ka pumasok, kailangan mo na ng facial recognition para makapasok ka. You don't need your passport. Okay, ito na. Go.
Ready na ba?
Let's go. Ay. Okay, let's wait na lang.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Yes. Yun nga. Sasakay tayo sa pinakamahabang elevator, the outdoor elevator. Sir, say hi.
Hello. This is Zhang Jiajie.
Yeah.
Forest Park. And now we are inside the mountain in Eterno, about to arrive at the Bailo elevator, the longest outdoor science elevator in the world.
That's amazing tour guide.
This elevator 326 meters high.
Oh my God.
Only 18 seconds bring us from the bottom to the top.
Oh, I love it.
8 seconds it moves for 5 meters.
5 meters. Ah, okay. That sounds interesting. Yeah. So ito na nga guys. Dapat nasa harap tayo ng wall, which is sa glass, kasi para makita natin yung full view talaga. So, yes, is that? Oh my God. So ito na, papasok na tayo. Come on. The longest outdoor elevator. Tara, dali! Ay, saan na? Saan? Dito! Pa, nakawalang mga to, bubuyog eh. May mata ya.
We are going to see the view soon. Now, look at the roof. Look up, everybody, say hi. Hi. Now look forward. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Ang taas pala!
And look, there's a village on the other side of the valley. Did you see the houses there?
Yes.
Oh my God! So amazing! Oh my God, the longest talaga! My God, I want more!
Beautiful.
Ang taas ng fan. Ang bilis.
Okay, let's go!
Yeah, let's go na, guys. Nakaka-amaze lang. One more glimpse for the tallest outdoor elevator in the world. So, paakyat na tayo. Ayan show. Yan, nawawala kami. Let's go. Nawawala tayo. Ay, andun sila.
Yeah. Now the people who still live there are all the seniors. Before they start the project to move the people out, the average lifespan in that village is 92.3 years old. The oldest, the lady, passed away 2 years ago at the age of 121. So people are curious why those villagers they got such long life.
So ito na nga, papunta tayo sa Avatar Hallelujah Mountain, which is hindi pa pala natin napupuntahan. Ang haba ng pila, oh. Ang haba. Ang haba ng pila, oh. My God. Ito na yung ano to, pinaka platform 1 yata nila. Ito yung amazing views, guys. So, oh my God. Yeah, I love it. I love it with all my hypothalamus. Ang ganda, oh.
Take a look. Step to the burial.
Oh my God, I can't believe it. I'm already here. I'm here, guys. The view. Oh God. Oh my God, this is perfect. Really a paradise on earth. Guys, what can you say about the place? Breathtaking. Very cinematic. Ayan, oh. Pag nahulog ka dito, patay ka agad. Ayan, ang ganda, guys. Hindi maubos yung adjectives natin, oh. Sobrang ganda. Ayan. Here we are, clouting. Ayan, maganda sana dyan. Unbelievable. Yung pinapanood mo lang Avatar, ito na, nasa harap na natin. The way of water. So this time, unti-unti na nating nalalapitan yung mga mountains. Ayan, oh. Yung nakikita ko na siya, guys. Oh my God. Oh my God, ito na nga. Ito yung shots na kinukuha niya yung dragon niya. Yung forest dragon.
Okay.
Yes. Sige na, go. Ayan na yung friend ko. Go ahead, have your moment. This is your moment. So ito, pag akyat mo ulit, may mga pagkain na naman dito. So ito na yung pinaka full view ng Avatar Hallelujah Mountain. Mapapansin natin, ang taas, ang lalim mo. Ayan. Galing lang. Nakakaiyak siya. As in, ang ganda. Mas maganda yata to kung may araw eh. Diba?
A few moments later.
Kailangan luto ha, kasi pag-pork, kailangan 100% cook ha.
Everybody, don't worry about the oil. I will get the tang tea for you later.
Alright, so our dinner is a Korean restaurant. Yes. This is for the dinner, guys.
Dinner is a Korean barbecue.
For Korean barbecue. Hey, hey, hey. O, saan kayo? Nagluluto si Veron.
Yes.
Yeah. Luto na yun. Ay, kunti lang guys, kasi kunti lang ako kumain. So, ito na nga, kakatapos lang namin kumain. So, this is the aftermath. Yay! Yay! Ito na, let's go. We're going back to the hotel. Let's go. Come on, guys. You know, guys, if you're interested for you know, fruits over there, may mga fruits doon, no?
We had a 3 years pandemic control in China. Yeah, has been shut off for 3 years.
Hello guys, so we are now in night city tour, and as we could observe, we are lost. Hinahanap namin yung para ano to, yung Asian inspired house, which is yun sana yung magandang pag-pictorialan, di ba friend? Puro ilaw. So yun na nga, we've been walking for I think more than 30 minutes, and I think we are lost. So try to appreciate the aesthetic ng mga stores nila. Ang ganda guys. Very Chinese talaga.
What's up? This is
What's up? Hello madlang people, mabuhay.
Welcome to
You know what mabuhay is? Mabuhay. Mabuhay. Long live, something like that.
Long life.
Yeah, long life. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi. Stories.
Yeah, meet Doris. We've been walking for 30 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, we just have to enjoy the moment because you know what they say, being happy is a part of a good life.
What the fuck? Picture! Picture mo ka.
That's my friend. She will do anything just for that guy. Ano, bili tayo? Gusto mo?
Bibili ko muna loob.
Okay, so this time check natin yung Chinese toy nila. Parang 7-Eleven lang to sa atin. So, ito po, Chinese. Ayan, this is parang cinnamon, something like that. Cheese flavor. Ang bahal. Yeah, quite expensive. Yun naman, ayaw natin ng mga mahal. Nagmamahal lang tayo, pero ayaw natin ng mahal. My friend is looking for the Yakult. Lychee Yakult. How was it? Oh. How much is that?
I don't know.
Ay, ito yung mga ano to, cold drink nila.
Do ako for you?
Ako na lang, friend. Yeah. Ito, may mga fruits din dito, guys. So parang 7-Eleven lang siya. Go ahead.
Meron daw. Masarap yan.
How much? Okay. It's 13. I'll be paying, do you have Alipay? Gcash. Ito yung mahirap guys, pag nasa China ka, kailangan lagi kang online para to pay. Yeah, I'll just pay in cash.
Not real, Dory. It's okay.
Oh, I love your cat. Hey, hi, hi. Hi, hi.
Oh,
Ang cute ng pusa. I have a Bengal cat. His name is Milo.
喜乐
Milo. What his name?
喜乐
Shilo. Ah. Hi, Shilo. I'm your father.
Lilo and Stitch. Ano pangalan niya?
Shilo. Hey guys, any anticipation for tomorrow? Do you have any idea what kind of itineraries do we have?
We're going to the Heaven's Gate.
Hi AJ.
Hello.
How much for the job? Famous Chinese hamburger daw. Ito yung pinakasikat sa China. Ano guys? Try natin? Gusto niyo ba? Parang spicy yata to eh. Hi baby. Yeah, wanna see my toy? Meet your father. So we are trying the burger.
Dapat walang nasisiro. So,
Dapat talaga may
as I
points
am your
ka.
friend, dapat